sure, I can make manual adjustments, but getting it actually right. And when you're doing the accounting for 90,000 units and you're constantly seeing different bills, and it's just easier to you get better, and that's why we're so hyper focused on real estate. Some of this stuff seems basic, but it's just critical, which is response times. That's an easy win. Two is just, I think when you're in the real estate industry, like people always say, like a bookkeeper, a bill comes in. Yes, I can get the bill into the system. But when you are a real estate investor and it's all about NOI, then your accountant, if they're picking GL, general ledger items above the line or versus below the line, that's changing NOI. And when you go to sell that asset and they say, send me the report from Appfolio that doesn't require any manual manipulation, just send me the report. Well, if you got a bunch of expenses above the line that were non-recurring below the line items, all of a sudden your NOI looks lower. And sure, you can say, oh, well, no, look, you got to add that back and this and that. But like, nobody wants to hear that on the other side. They just want a report that works. Or, when it comes to repair and maintenance versus capitalized, like if you're capitalizing a bunch of stuff that should have been, expensing a bunch of things that should have been capitalizing, all of a sudden you're bringing your NOI down. And so again, sure, I can make manual adjustments, but getting it actually right. And when you're doing the accounting for 90,000 units and you're constantly seeing different bills, and it's just easier to you get better, and that's why we're so hyper focused on real estate.
I couldn't agree with you more. Like the NOI is so important for lenders, for buyers who are looking at your deal, and for you to make sure that you have accurate numbers. They call them open cycles, right? All the things that if you're putting in bad information or bad input, it's going to be a poor outcome or a less than ideal outcome. And so making sure that you are putting the things in the correct order, in the correct way, so that you can at the click of a button have those reports that are accurate. It's going to help you, go in the right direction, and also see the anomalies, right?